Hello everyone, my name is Chris Nash, and today I want to teach you how to properly utilize silence in your presentations. If you're anything like me, you've probably over-prepared. You would never just launch into a 3-minute speech off the top of your head, having prepared nothing, knowing that it's due in just a number of hours from now. That would be crazy. But if you are that type of person, it would behoove you to know that as long as you're confident, with a sense of poise, and a strong command of the stage, then silence can be very useful to you. It makes me think of a very popular phrase, silence is Gordon. It's beautiful, isn't it? It started me wondering, who is this Gordon? And if he's so silent, how come we've heard of him? He must be a very popular Gordon, Gordon Ramsay perhaps, but I don't think so, because Gordon Ramsay isn't very silent. And so I started doing my research, I started digging deep. And it turns out the phrase is actually, you believe this? Silence is golden. It doesn't make any sense. Gold is golden. Honey is golden. Scandinavian people are golden. But silence? No, I think what they mean to say is silence is nice. But even that's subjective. A nice silence to you might not be so nice to the person responsible for testing and calibrating ambulance sirens. They don't want silence, they want sirens. And it's important to note that sirens is just silence backwards. What a magical world we live in. Well, I can see I'm almost out of time. And so I just want to leave you with one thing. Please just remember, if I've taught you anything today, then I sincerely apologize. That was not my intention. Please go in silence.